How to fix actions not available on Roblox. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can fix actions not available in Roblox Mobile error. So before we begin with that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First step, what we'll do is update our Roblox app to the latest version. For that, open up your app store and simply search for Roblox. After you search for Roblox, open Roblox up. And if you see an update button right here, tap on update and then update your app. After you've updated the app, you can then head over to the app and then open it up. After you're on your app, what you can then do is make sure you're logged in into your account. Now, whenever you are trying to play a game or whenever you're trying to rate a game right here like this, it will show you an error that says action not available. To fix that, what you'll have to do is actually head over to your profile. Tap on the three dots on the bottom right, then head over to your profile. And right here, you can see if everything's correct or not. So we will actually need to check our account's info. So check for your account, check if everything's fine here. And after you've done that, head back to the settings, to the more section, scroll down and then go to settings. Tap on settings. And on your settings, you'll need to head over to, verify your email. So tap on account info. After you're on your account info, what you'll need to do is verify your email. So that is basically the problem. So right here, you will find your email. So if you're not verified, all you have to do is tap on your email option, tap on edit, enter out your email, and then you will get a verify email option in your mail. Tap on the verify email option and you'll get this verified ticked option right here. After you get your email verified, you will then be able to react with any games. And that's how you fix action not available in Roblox Mobile. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.